Hello, tea enthusiasts. Today we have something truly special to discuss. The incredible benefits of rosemary tea. Antioxidant powerhouse. One of the key benefits of rosemary tea is its rich antioxidant content. Antioxidants help our bodies combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Improved digestion. Rosemary tea is also known to aid digestion. If you ever feel bloated or have indigestion, a cup of rosemary tea might be just what you need. Boosted memory and concentration. Now, here's something fascinating. Rosemary has been linked to improved memory and concentration. The aroma of rosemary is believed to enhance cognitive performance, immune system support. In today's fast-paced world, we could all use a little extra immune system support. Rosemary tea contains compounds that may help strengthen the immune system, making it a wonderful addition to your wellness routine, especially during cold and flu seasons. Stress relief. Life can get hectic and stress can take a toll on our well-being. Fortunately, rosemary tea has calming properties that may help alleviate stress and promote relaxation. So, if you're looking for a natural way to unwind after a long day, a warm cup of rosemary tea could be just what you need. Skin benefits. Believe it or not, the benefits of rosemary extend to your skin. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in rosemary tea may contribute to healthier skin. Some even find that regularly consuming rosemary tea helps improve the overall appearance of their skin, giving it a natural and radiant glow. Heart health. Taking care of your heart is crucial, and rosemary tea may contribute to cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that the compounds in rosemary may help lower blood pressure and improve overall heart function. Of course, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice on heart health. How to make rosemary tea? Making rosemary tea is a simple process that requires just a few ingredients and minimal effort. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients: fresh rosemary sprigs, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of leaves, water, 2 cups, optional, honey, lemon, or other sweeteners or flavorings to taste. Instructions: prepare the rosemary. Rinse the fresh rosemary sprigs under the cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Strip the leaves off the stems. We'll want about 1 to 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves for every 2 cups of water. Boil water. In a pot or kettle, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Steep rosemary. Place the fresh rosemary leaves into a teapot or heat-proof container. Once the water has boiled, pour it over the rosemary leaves. Steep time. Let the rosemary steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor will be. Strain. After steeping, use a fine mash strainer or tea infuser to remove the rosemary leaves from the tea. Serve. Pour the rosemary tea into cups or mugs. Optionally, add honey, lemon, or other sweeteners or flavorings to taste. Enjoy. Your rosemary tea is now ready to enjoy. Sip it slowly and savor the herbal flavor. Tips: adjust the amount of rosemary leaves according to your taste preferences. You can add more for a stronger flavor or less for a milder taste. Experiment with different flavorings like lemon slices, ginger, or a cinnamon stick for added complexity. If you don't have fresh rosemary, you can use dried rosemary leaves instead, though the flavor may be slightly different. Rosemary tea can be enjoyed hot or cold. If serving cold, allow it to cool before refrigerating or serving over ice. Store any leftover rosemary tea in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to a few days. Reheat it gently on the stove or enjoy it cold